lesson component of this, let's take a look at the activity guide. I'm going to give you a brief overview and then you guys can go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's take a look at what you guys are actually doing this week for your introduction to Arduino. So first of all, you are going to explore how to use the Arduino Uno and how to program it. This is all going to be done in Tinkercad as a simulation. Now you do have an option to install the Arduino IDE software. If you would prefer to code outside of Tinkercad because it makes the sketches look a little bit tidier, a little bit neater, you are welcome to do so. If you go to the linked website, there is a cloud-based version of the coding software, and you can also download and install the Arduino IDE software. This is, again, optional. So first you're going to log into Tinkercad. Make sure you choose the login to Google option. The GIF on this slide will hopefully play after it's finished loading and you will be able to see how to sign in, though it's pretty easy. After that, you're going to be prompted to complete some tutorials. Many of you have probably never logged into Tinkercad before, so it's going to give you some weird, this is how it works kind of thing. You're going to be creating circuits, so anywhere you see a create a circuit option or learn about circuits, that's where you want to be focused. You're then going to create a new circuit by going to the left of your dashboard and choosing circuits, and then clicking the green create circuit button. So again, this GIF will walk you through how to do that. And then you are going to insert your Arduino. So you are going to click on Basic and then under Starters, choose Arduino. You're going to select Blink and drag it down to the build area. So that looks like this. You just click on Basic. You're then going to choose Arduino and you're just going to drag that into the work area to the left. Once you have that placed, you're going to open the code editor. Once you open the code editor, you're going to see that it works in different modes, that there are blocks, which is like script programming, and then the other mode is text, which is C++. So when the code editor is open, this activity uses text only. So a window is going to appear with a preloaded program. It's going to blink an LED on the Uno board tied to port 13, just like we talked about in the example that we saw in the lesson. So once you have that set up and the code editor open, you're going to click on Start Simulation, and this causes the syntax to compile and run. So you know what's going to happen. An LED is going to blink, it's going to turn off, it's going to blink again. And then you'll notice in the upper right-hand corner, you will also be able to stop the simulation at that point. So the next few slides have an analysis of the program. I want you to read through those on your own as you're watching the simulation happen. It breaks down what each portion of the circuit is doing, so make sure that you have the slide open and the simulation at the same time. So again, these are the analysis of that Blink program. There are 3 different slides of analysis. And then you're going to move into modifying the program. So here, I apologize for the screenshots. This was the easiest way to keep the syntax formatting the way I needed it to, because Google Slides just was not formatting the way I needed it to. So you're going to go through and you're going to do exactly as these screenshots say to modify your program. You're just going to add some extra bits to it, and that is actually what you are turning in. So you have 2 submissions this week. One is the worksheet that I have posted. That is a Arduino exploration. You're going to use the Arduino website to look at the Arduino Uno and learn about that hardware. And then there is the circuit that you're going to share a link to and put in the circuit submission. As always, if you have questions, just let me know.